Hey, it's me Alice, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bee. So what you'll need is some construction paper again, glue, the Gorilla Glue, scissors in case if you, and of course the color paper is red, white, yellow, and black. The white is for the wings, the red is for the smile. You know what the yellow and black is for, but if you don't, it's for the body. And of course, markers, and of course, Googly Eyes. The Googly Eyes are silly, but we're going to need a circle cutter. And of course, our shape that we're going to use today is circles! Whoa! So let's get started. So I already pre-cutted mine, so this video won't be too long. Otherwise, I'll make this video a bit boring. My circles are 2-inch, but the smaller one is a 1-inch for the smile, so it would fit into the face. Otherwise it'd be a really big smile. So first, we're gonna grab this paper and fold it in half. And yes, guys, making a card, but you can make it on anything else. So first, let's fold it in half. You see? Now we're gonna get our black circle and put it somewhere towards the bottom, right here. And then we take our glue and glue it there. Da, 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 da. Yes, we're gonna make a bee today. I love making stuff. But now we're gonna do yellow here. Now we do the black again, black and yellow. It goes as a pattern. First black, yellow, then it ends at yellow. Black and yellow, wow. Also, did you know that some bees actually aren't honeybees? Some of them are, some of them are not. There are all types of bees, and there's also all types of wasps and moths. Did you know that bees die after they sting you? Poor bees, oh my god. And my mom's so scared of them. She always freaks out, even when there's a bee on her. Now it's time for the Googly Eyes. Whoa, Googly Eyes are so silly. It even makes me want to draw a silly face and add the Googly Eyes for it. Well, where I got this idea to make the bee, they only draw the eyes, but instead I want to use Googly Eyes because it's much faster and also more sillier. After this, and also we're going to use a marker, stinger, and of course the nose. Okay, so let's cut the red circle in half. Ta-da! My smile. If you were a bee, would you sting? Well, if I was a bee, I wouldn't sting. Not unless if they were trying to do something dangerous. Dangerous to the flowers, I would sting. Okay, now it's time to do the wings. So let's cut the wings in half. Let's cut the circles in half. Why did I do it like that? Ta-da! Now we can put them on the wings once we glue them. Oh, did you guys ever see the movie Little Einsteins? That one is full of mysteries. Sort of like Scooby-Doo on Netflix. But Little Einsteins have a cool rocket. It was once the leader of the teams, but it was so little. Because that one was a baby, just like the leader. And they got to fly anywhere. And there was also instruments. Did you like playing instruments? I love playing instruments. I play a piano once I visit my cousin's house. I learned this song in music class. Bee, bee, bumblebee, bee stung a man upon. It's me. Bee, bee, bumblebee. I think that's the half of it, but I don't know. I forgot. So, did you know that all bees have antennas? Okay, time for the antennas. Flap, 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 flappity, flap, 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 flap. Okay, so now we're drawing the stinger. Okay, I'm all done. Ta-da! Still think it looks funny. Okay guys, please subscribe and like and click the bell button. Bye!